With the Oral-B IO Series 4, switching brushing modes is quick and can be done directly on the handle or through the Oral-B app. The easiest way is using the power button on the brush itself. Press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds to turn it on. Once it's powered up, give the button a short press to cycle through the available modes. Each press moves you to the next setting, and the LED ring changes color to show which mode you've selected. White indicates daily clean, green represents sensitive, light blue signals gum care, purple shows intense clean, and dark blue stands for whitening. After you stop pressing the button, wait a couple of seconds and the selected mode will activate automatically. If your toothbrush is connected to the app, you can also change modes digitally. Open the app, make sure Bluetooth is enabled, and select the brushing mode section. Tap your preferred mode, and it will sync instantly to the brush. This option is helpful if you like a more visual interface or want to personalize your routine. For best results, stick with 2 or 3 modes that match your needs instead of constantly switching.